I'm Jay Jeffrey, and I'm president of Time Manufacturing, been with the company for over 34 years. With all the changes we've had in our industry, the one thing that hasn't changed is Versalift is known for innovation and excellence. Over the last few years, Versalift has significant growth, both organically and through brand acquisition. We continue to expand through company-owned distribution and third-party partners around the world. That not only do we build an innovative product, but also that we know how to service it and take care of it throughout its life.
The growth here has been unprecedented. Recent acquisitions of distribution and manufacturers, it's making the supply chain easier to manage.
Through vertical integration, we have grown the company to a size that brings a lot of efficiencies to our organization. We've made a machine that will pick up to 700 pounds of capacity in any position that you put the boom in, meaning the operator no longer has to read a load chart to find out if he's within the capacities of that machine. It helps us improve and innovate to an even greater scale than we've been able to before.
Several of our acquisitions, including Ruthman, which is a leading European manufacturer of 40 different models through 3 different brands, which continues to strengthen how strong we are in the European theater, also across the world.
The acquisition of Ruthman, now we have access to some of the best people in the industry.
FX is the largest composite body manufacturer in the country. It's really the only one that you can walk up, take your foot, kick it as hard as you want to kick it. You're not going to ding it, you're not going to dent it.
So that's our growth plan. We continue to build the best product, the most innovative product, the highest quality product, and we plan to be #1.